Okay, okay, smart here again, back with another awesome video, right? So let's head into some very important secrets that you got to know on CoinMarketCap. To be of your interest, to smash the like button and subscribe to the YouTube channel, right? So because most of the time people go to CoinMarketCap, what they check is just Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether, and they can just come here to the search bar and search for any cryptocurrency that they are searching for. Now that's what people usually do. So one salient thing to note about CoinMarketCap while using it, you can use it to track what the overall performance of what the crypto market. So you can see crystal clear that the crypto market is down 0.3% today, and you can use it to track the price, 1 hour performance, 24 hours performance, 7 days performance. You can use to track what the market cap, the volume right here, the traded volume. And this is not why I'm making this video. And let me show you why I'm really making this video. So just go to this bar right here. Go to this top trade bar. Click on it. When you click on it, you are going to see some important categories. So click on the cryptocurrency again, and you're going to see ranking, and you want to go to the recently added. So when you click on the recently added, this is what you're going to see. You're going to see what new cryptocurrency added to CoinMarketCap in the last 30 days. And the reason why I'm showing you this is because you can use it to track what both decentralized exchange coins and centralized exchange coins. It's very important, and it will help you a lot in your crypto research. And let me show you something. This coin was just added 1 hour ago. So any coin that is added 1 hour ago, you can use it to track the price. You can track the blockchain that is being traded on. You can track what the volume, which is very massive, and that is why this coin is blowing to the upside 10% in the last 1 hour. You can see that crystal clear. You can use it to track what the FDV. Don't ever forget that. So it's very important. And even the price also, you can see the price being traded there. And it's not everybody that check this. If you are checking this, just drop it in the comment below. If you do this on CoinMarketCap, and not everybody is aware of this, and you can use it to track other coins also. So this one was just added 4 hours ago. Ethereum network, Solana, you can see BNB. You can see what Ethereum right here, the network that is being traded on blockchain. So you can look at this Loto Arbitrum right here. So it's very important. This Floki AI that I talked about yesterday. Look at this Floki AI that I talked about yesterday. It's blowing to the upside, and I informed. If you bought Floki AI, just drop it in the comment below, because I talked about this Floki AI when I made that video yesterday, and it's blowing to the upside. That's quite important. This is a BNB network right here. So you can use it to track both centralized exchange coin and decentralized exchange coin. That's exactly what you have to understand. So if you want to check very important crypto project that are out there that you want to invest in on the long run, just come to this place, go to recently added, and just track this for yourself. It's going to help you a lot in your crypto research. So the next thing you should be looking at, let's go back and let me show you something very important. The second thing you want to do is just go to this trade bar right here, click on it, go to cryptocurrency, and go to categories. Right, so when you click on that, it's going to show a very interesting layout, and this is the layout right here. So this is like a form of index. Let me show you this. Let me show you this. Say we have created, these are things that people are not really looking into, and it will so much help you in your crypto research. So we have created an index for each of the cryptocurrency categories. Categories are ranked by 24 hours price change. So you can see what the cryptocurrency index that they rank right here. So we've got what Harmony, Harmony ecosystem, and in Harmony ecosystem we've got loads of what cryptocurrency. On Harmony ecosystem we've got Solana ecosystem, and we've got loads of what ecosystem, and they track it within 24 hours. That's the price performance So within 24 hours, this Harmony ecosystem, the cryptocurrencies in this Harmony ecosystem has performed with 61%. That is really, really huge, and you really have to look at that, you know what I'm saying, right? So the top gainer right there is Koga. You can see that crystal clear, 855% within 24 hours. That's very, very massive. And you can also check the dominance right here. You can also check what different volume. That's the volume, the total volume of the crypto project that are listed on what Harmony. You can see the gainers and the losers right here. And don't worry, there's a way to handle this. So let's go to Harmony ecosystem, and we're still going to go to Solana ecosystem. Let me show you some very, very important stuff. So we've got the the market cap right here. We've got the market cap. You've got the trading volume right here, and also look at the stuff. We see that we've got what Binance BUSD, Binance USD right there. We've got DAI. We've got Sushi Swap right here. So loads of crypto projects, and look at this. Koga that I was talking about, 848%, huge, very, very massive, very, very massive, very, very massive. And you can go and check this coin. The performance of this coin, and let's go to this Solana ecosystem. So it's just like a form of index, like you, as if you're investing into S&P 500. It's very, very important. So in crypto space also, we have crypto indexes out there. Crypto indexing is very important because it helps to mitigate loss. Help to mitigate your risks. And this is the Solana ecosystem we're talking about. Theta USD, we've got the Solana, we've got the Chainlink. And you really need to look at this Solana ecosystem. You really need to, because so many of these crypto projects are part of the top crypto projects that are entirely on the blockchain ecosystem. So another thing you have to check is this exchange. Let me show you something. This spot, let me tell you that this is not just for centralized exchange. So when you enter spot now, you can track the various performance of different exchanges that are out there. You can see Binance right here. So the performance, the score for Binance is 9.9%, which is pretty huge. And the trading volume, you can use to track the overall trading volume of Binance. You can see it right here, 10 billion. 10.5 billion. That's pretty huge. Average liquidity, you can also check it, right? Very, very massive. Weekly visit 13.9 million. That's a lot, bro. And you can see what the markets right here. You can see that crystal clear, the coins that are listed there. You can see that, what I'm saying. And the fiat currency support, we've got loads of them: Euro, GBP, BRL, and and loads more. You can see what Coinbase is second right here. You can see what Coinbase exchange. You can see Kraken right here. And if you got a question, please drop it on the comment section below, and like the video. And I'm smart, definitely going to see you on the next one. Peace out for now.